Alrighty guys, so today we're doing a real quick project. This is a, what do you want to call it? A wall hanging guest book for a good friend of mine's wedding. I had one at my wedding. They're cool to have. You know, you can put them up on the wall afterward. We're gonna cut this out on the plasma table real quick, then grind it and take it right to the powder coater. This is something that if you have a table, you can do. If you don't, I'm gonna have them available on my website at 42fab.com. About $100 plus shipping anywhere in the country.
The basic process here is we do a rough grinding of the sign and then switch over to a brand new flap disc so we can get a real nice finish and finish everything off first with the flap disc and then with a Rolox style surface finishing abrasive, and this preps it for powder coating so you get an awesome finish.
All right, so there we go. We've got the Cutout Ground. This is 16 gauge steel. You see it's fairly light, fairly flexible. It's intended to go on a wall. If you wanted something more stout that was freestanding, we'd use 14 or even 12 gauge, and that won't have the wobble. But with this lightweight solution, it does great on a wall. You know, you can mount this with 2 or 3 little pin nails in your drywall, or even like command strips. Now we're going to the powder coater. Powder coating is basically a bake-on plastic paint that's much more durable. It also leaves just like a perfect finish. Instead of taking my word for it, let's ask Chad over at Mancrafting how powder coating compares to paint.
The reason that people use powder coating over, say, paint, it's much more durable. So if you're looking for a very hard finish, one that's gonna resist scratches, it's flexible, so if something dense, it doesn't break, you're gonna find powder coating to be a really good choice for you.
So with the guest book back from the powder coater, there's nothing to do but enjoy it and get some good memories of your big day. If you'd like to pick one of these up, I'd be happy to help you out. See the links in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.